Okay, thank you very much. Um, Next slide, please. Hello, good afternoon to everyone. My name is José Daniel García Espinel, and today I'm going to do a presentation titled Combining AI and Humans to Provide Best-in-Class Security. How to build a world-class security offering by increasing security operators' efficiency through artificial intelligence and Internet of Things solutions. I hope you will enjoy my presentation, and please do not hesitate to ask any question that you might have. I will be pleased to answer all of them. Next one, please. Prosegur has conducted a shift toward a model based on internal solutions and managed services. From our security operating centers, or SOCs, we manage all our edge resources, manage guards and technology, and exploit data that generate for internal efficiency, but mainly to provide additional and enhanced services. In order to navigate current interesting times and attractive markets in which we operate, and based on these foundations, we have just launched our strategic plan 21-23, which is based on two concepts: perform and transform. Perform means keeping on doing well in our core operations, excelling in what we have been doing well for decades. And transform means building the future, creating what will become core in the coming years. Innovation is a key lever, boosting both strategic foundations. In the security business, the security operation centers and new products based on the latest technologies, especially AI, are the core of our strategy. Prosegur is already able to offer advanced remote security and safety services to protect our customers, as well as business continuity solutions. All this transformation and innovation is already a reality for the Prosegur Group. Let me explain briefly how we have conducted our partnership with Asina, developing new managed services based on AI. Please, next one. Let me introduce first how Prosegur innovation model has evolved these last 3 years. In 2019, Prosegur Corporate Innovation Division was created. Before, there were some specific initiatives related to innovation in different business units. But in 2019, Prosegur decided to centralize all these efforts into a corporate innovation division, where most advanced resources in artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and other advanced technology were focused. 2020 was a difficult year. Nevertheless, we decided to go ahead and explore the use of these advanced technologies in different use cases. We developed COVID-free products to create safe environments to work. We tested all this development with our clients, doing POCs and pilots. On 2021, we grew up and we developed our own first new products based on Internet of Things and artificial intelligence that were launched to the market. Now, we must take it to the next level, accelerate the creation of our own products and IP to differentiate us and see the impact in our results. Next, please. But let me explain which is what our Prosegur strategy related to the development of AI-based new product is. I will use an example. Imagine that you need a car, and then you go to a car dealership. You will find that in most cases, the offering of new cars is based on standard components. You can change from one dealership to another one, but you will find that nearly all of them have a very similar offering. Now, imagine that Apple decided to develop a new car. So, if you were developing an Apple car, what would you add? You will connect the car to your Apple ecosystem, connect your iPhone, access your address book and personal data, load to Apple Maps, Apple Music, screens for kids with access to Apple TV. You will create your own ecosystem based on the standard components to offer new services to your customers. You are going to differentiate your offering, generate recurring revenue, and reduce integration cost of software components. Next, please. So, in the same way as if we were going to develop an Apple car, we can think that we should do if we want to differentiate our security operations center service at Prosegur. We are not going to develop hardware, cameras, sensors that other vendors are developing. Next, please. We will use these standard components that are connected to our offering to focus on building the pieces that add value to what we do and that differentiate us and provide long-term advantages. Those advantages need to be based on artificial intelligence technology and materialize in differentiation, generating a recurring revenue and/or lower costs. This is exactly what we are doing right now with the combination of artificial intelligence and human resources at our security operations centers worldwide. Next one, please. Differentiation allows us to obtain important benefits. First, we are going to be able to integrate and use combined data from all vendors and formats. Secondly, we are going to be able to expand our service offerings. And third, we are going to increase efficiency and productivity at our SOCs. Next one, please. In order to achieve this goal, we have developed a platform that will support our new security operations centers, our Handside Platform. Based on our Handside Platform and combining Hensai components, we have created new products that have already been launched commercially in year 2021 as G-Home, oriented to the B2C market. Next year, among other commercial products based on Hensai, the most relevant new product that we will launch is Hensai Security and Safety, which aims to automate surveillance tasks in our security operations centers in the field of safety and security. With Hensai, we will be able to transform the video streams from the cameras into event notifications, which will allow our control center operators to increase our efficiency, avoiding to constantly monitor the video stream from our customer cameras. In this project, 9 different use cases are being developed for safety and security applications. These algorithms have been developed by Prosegur and also by third parties, all being integrated into the Handside platform that is operated in our security operations centers through their usual tools. We will work with numerous clients to carry out the first pilots that can be applied to a large part of more than 175,000 cameras that we control today from our control centers. Asina is a key component of our Hensai platform, especially at our security and safety solution. Let me explain how both Asina and Hensai platforms are integrated to create an expanded and even more powerful ecosystem that is the basis of our present and future offer of managed service on video. Next one, please. With Asina, we have already able to download on the cameras and configure AI algorithms from the SOC. Hensai will allow us to capture the results of inferences of AI algorithms and the associated images when something relevant happens. We will store all related information in a common repository or Hensai data component, and we will also integrate these events with additional info into our SOC's tools. Therefore, we will process more data with fewer operators, improving the response and information we will provide to our customers. But how we are doing it? Next one, please. Let's look at our Hensai platform based on Asina in action. In this example, we will be able to see how one of the cameras that we have connected to Asina stops working. At that very moment, an alert event is created and sent through our Hensai IoT component and being stored in our data lake, Hensai data. When this event arrives at the SOC, our operators implement that necessary operational protocol to solve this incident to continue visualizing the results of the inferences in our SOC and keeping the remote monitoring system operational. Next one, please. Another feature of Hensai is that we can automatically generate reports with all the relevant information for customers by exploiting the data we store in our Hensai data lake. This allows us to add value to our customers since we can combine not only the data from the cameras, but also from the rest of the devices that connect to our control center, in such a way that we can not only check what is always happening, but that we are able to anticipate what is going to happen. Next one, please. Asina and Hensai will allow us to massively apply AI to video-based services at a lower cost because it automates and simplifies the operation. We will be able to anticipate technical issues and drive profitability and maintenance sales, and our service will be truly tangible and useful to customers. Hensai is a very valuable lever to generate new sales of recurring services and with greater profitability. Next one, please. And just to finish, I would like to propose 3 takeaways from my presentation. First of all, we must boost our business with AI. Next one, please. Secondly, we must grow with Hensai Asina new products. And finally, I would like to say that we are now at the Prosegur of the future. Thank you very much.